Are you okay? मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हें रेस्ट ले लेना चाहिए. Your health comes first.
I will.
In the fast-paced corporate life, we often prioritize our physical health, but forget about our mental well-being. But when it comes to mental health, the signs are usually less visible, but they are just as crucial.
Hi Riya, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Manchi, I have noticed you have been disturbing lately. Do you want to talk?
When we prioritize mental health, the workplace transforms into a supportive environment. It's time to change the conversation. Let's prioritize mental health just like we do it for physical health. Together, we can create a much healthier and happier corporate world.